It was probably 2012 where this whole AI revolution started. And just like this conference, it started with a focus on vision. In 2012, the AlexNet paper was published, and AlexNet was the first convolutional neural network that was, without anybody expecting, suddenly winning and being the state-of-the-art for the image classification task, ImageNet. And since this last decade, convolutional neural networks have evolved tremendously, and are not only applied for image classification, but also for much more useful tasks like object detection, scene segmentation, and panoptic segmentation. So in this last 10 years, there has probably never been any field in engineering that was evolved so quickly, right? In this last 10 years, there has been a tremendous amount of research, both from industry, academia, into improving these convolutional neural networks. So these convolutional neural networks didn't only become smaller and faster, but also much more accurate in these 10 years. And then something really profound, I think, happened last year. I think we'll talk about it in detail later, but the Google Brain team came up with the idea of using a completely different type of network, a transformer network, which is actually developed in the context and for the purpose of natural language processing tasks. And they were taking this network and directly using it to kind of do image classification. So that very same task that kind of CNNs were kind of ruling since 2012. And obviously, a transformer takes in language, so the input would be words or tokens or maybe syllables that you would feed in, that would be put in an embedding vector. So yeah, you cannot directly apply this to an image, so you need to have a way to put the image in. And the very simple way to do this is to kind of cut the image into patches and then just take all the pixels of a patch and make a long vector out of them and feed them into a transformer. And then this transformer, back then, I think like a year ago, more or less, actually beated the state-of-the-art of convolutional neural networks without any modification to the network itself. If this does not blow your mind, you were probably not listening.